Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into something every electric vehicle owner or future EV driver needs to understand. The mysterious symbols glowing on your dashboard. Whether you're driving a Tesla, a BYD, a Nissan Leaf, or a BMW i4, those little lights on your display aren't just decoration. They're your car's way of talking to you, warning you, guiding you, and sometimes even saving your vehicle from damage. So in this video, we're breaking down every important dashboard warning light in electric vehicles. What it means, why it appears, and what you should do when it does. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand your EV better than ever before. Understanding dashboard warning lights. Before we look at each symbol, let's first understand what dashboard warning lights actually represent. In traditional gasoline cars, dashboard lights warn about things like oil pressure, engine temperature, or fuel level. But electric vehicles are different. They don't have engines, they don't burn fuel, they don't use motor oil. So the dashboard lights in EVs are built around their battery systems, electrical circuits, charging mechanisms, and safety systems. There are three main categories of EV dashboard lights. 1. Red lights. These mean serious issues. Stop immediately or seek professional help. 2. Amber or yellow lights. These are warnings, something needs attention soon. 3. Green or blue lights. These indicate that a system is active or operating normally. Think of it like a traffic light for your car's health. Red means stop. Yellow means caution. Green means go. The battery warning light. Let's start with the heart of an electric vehicle, the battery. The battery warning light usually looks like a small rectangular battery icon, sometimes with a lightning bolt inside. When this light turns yellow, it usually means your battery charge is running low, similar to a fuel light in a gasoline car. But if it turns red, it means something more serious. A possible issue with your high-voltage battery, battery cooling system, or power distribution. In that case, you should pull over safely, turn off your car, and contact your service center immediately. Ignoring a red battery warning can lead to system shutdown or potential battery damage. The powertrain or drive system warning light. In gasoline cars, the check engine light is one of the most familiar warnings. In EVs, you might see a similar symbol, often shaped like a yellow car with an exclamation mark or a lightning bolt. This is the powertrain warning light or EV system warning light. It indicates a problem in the electric drive system. That could be your motor, inverter, power electronics, or regenerative braking system. If this light appears, don't panic, but avoid driving long distances. Try restarting the vehicle. If it remains on, schedule a diagnostic check. It might be a temporary software glitch, or it could indicate something deeper like a short circuit or overheating inverter. Battery cooling system light. Electric vehicles rely on cooling systems to regulate battery temperature. If you see a thermometer symbol over a battery icon, that's your battery temperature warning. It means your battery pack is too hot or too cold. And that can affect performance, efficiency, or even safety. When this appears, avoid fast acceleration or charging. Move your vehicle to a shaded or climate-controlled area. Let the system stabilize before continuing your trip. Extreme heat or cold can cause serious long-term damage to lithium-ion batteries. So always take this warning seriously. Charging system warning. This light appears as a plug or lightning bolt and tells you something about your charging process. You might see it when the charger is not properly connected, there's a fault in the power supply, or your onboard charger is malfunctioning. If this happens while charging, check. White heavy check mark, the cable connection. White heavy check mark, the charging port cleanliness. White heavy check mark, and that your power outlet is working properly. If the warning persists, it may be a sign that your charger's communication with the car is faulty, something that needs inspection. Regenerative braking system warning. Regenerative braking converts your car's motion back into electricity. If a yellow circle with an exclamation mark appears along with messages like regenerative braking disabled, it means that feature is temporarily offline. You can still brake normally using hydraulic brakes, but you'll lose some efficiency and range recovery. This could be caused by a cold battery, high charge levels near 100%, or an issue with your inverter or motor sensors. Usually it's temporary, but if it stays on, have your EV scanned. Electrical fault or high voltage system warning. This is one of the most serious alerts. A red lightning bolt inside a triangle or a vehicle outline with a lightning symbol. It signals a potential fault in the high voltage electrical system and should never be ignored. Turn off your EV immediately, avoid touching any electrical components, and call for professional help. These warnings are rare but critical. They can indicate overheating connectors, insulation failure, or internal battery faults. Brake system and ABS warning. Just like in gasoline cars, EVs also have braking systems that can fail or lose pressure. If you see a red circle with an exclamation mark, it could mean the parking brake is engaged, there's low brake fluid, or your brake system needs service. Another related symbol is the ABS light, often in yellow. This means the anti-lock braking system is not functioning properly. While your normal brakes still work, your car may skid during sudden braking. Get it checked soon. Traction control and stability lights. EVs have instant torque, and that makes traction control crucial. A car with wavy lines underneath means your traction control system, TCS, is active. If it flashes occasionally, no problem. It's working to keep your tires from spinning. But if it stays on continuously, your traction or stability control system might be malfunctioning. Avoid aggressive driving and schedule a diagnostic check. 12-volt battery warning light. Even though your EV runs on a high-voltage pack, it still uses a 12-volt battery for accessories, lights, and computers. A red battery symbol might mean your low-voltage battery isn't charging properly. It's important to address this quickly because without the 12V system, your car's electronics, including the ignition, might fail. Sensor and system alerts. Modern EVs come with a network of sensors for cameras, radar, ultrasonic detection, and LiDAR. You might see warnings like camera blocked, radar unavailable, or driver assistance limited. These aren't always critical. They might just mean dirt, fog, or sunlight is interfering with the sensors. But if they persist, your safety systems like autopilot, lane assist, or emergency braking could be affected. Security and key alerts. The key symbol with a slash indicates your smart key is not detected. This can happen if the key fob battery is weak or you've left it outside the vehicle. Another symbol, a car with a padlock, represents the anti-theft or immobilizer system. If it flashes unexpectedly, there might be an issue with your key or security system's software. Service and maintenance reminders. Most EVs display a wrench icon or service car symbol when maintenance is due. Even though EVs need less maintenance than gasoline cars, they still require checks for brakes, tires, filters, and battery cooling systems. So if you see this, It's your EV's polite reminder. Hey, it's time for a checkup. Cabin climate and heating system warnings. EVs use electric heating elements and heat pumps for temperature control. If you see a snowflake symbol, it means the battery or cabin heater is limited due to low temperature. If you see a red thermometer, your system may be overheating. Turn off climate control for a few minutes to let it cool. Efficient temperature management is key for range and comfort. So these lights help you balance both. EV ready and ready to drive indicators. One unique EV feature is the ready light. This tells you the vehicle's systems are powered up and ready to move. Because EVs are silent at idle, this indicator replaces the sound of an engine. If the light is off, your car is not ready to move. Even if it looks on, always make sure the ready light is visible before pressing the accelerator, regenerative mode, and drive mode indicators. Depending on your EV, you might see different colors or icons for driving modes. B for strong regenerative braking. Eco for efficiency mode. Sport for enhanced acceleration. These aren't warnings, they're status lights that tell you how your EV is performing. Why understanding these lights matters. Here's something most drivers don't realize. EVs communicate silently. Unlike gasoline cars, they don't make mechanical noises when something's wrong. Your only clues are these dashboard indicators. Understanding them means white heavy check mark, you can fix small issues before they grow expensive. White heavy check mark, you'll stay safer on the road. White heavy check mark, and you'll extend your EV's lifespan dramatically. Knowledge isn't just power, it's protection. What to do when a warning appears. When a dashboard light comes on. 1. Don't ignore it. Note the color and symbol immediately. 2. Check your manual. Every EV model has slightly different meanings for each icon. 3. Restart the car. Sometimes minor software glitches can reset themselves. 4. If red, stop immediately. Pull over, shut down the vehicle, and contact service. 5. If yellow, schedule maintenance soon. Your EV is smarter than you think. It gives warnings early to prevent major problems later. The future of dashboard lights. As electric vehicles evolve, so will their dashboards. Next-generation EVs are already replacing static lights with interactive warnings. Full-color icons, voice messages, and even augmented reality overlays. Imagine a dashboard that says, "Front left tire low pressure, please check soon." Or, "Battery cooling system active, drive gently." That's the future. A car that communicates like a companion, not just a machine. Final thoughts, the language of light. Every light on your dashboard is like a heartbeat of your vehicle. They might seem small, but they carry meaning. They're the connection between your car's invisible systems and your human understanding. So the next time one flickers on, don't see it as a nuisance. See it as your EV's voice saying, "Hey, I need your attention." When you listen, your EV rewards you with longer range, better performance, and years of reliable service. Because in the end, electric cars may run on power, but they live on awareness. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand your EV dashboard better, hit that like button, subscribe for more electric insights, and share this with someone new to the world of electric cars. Until next time, drive smart, stay charged, and always pay attention to the little lights that keep your EV alive.